tip out the lower. Usually I do, just because I'm in a hurry. Usually I do right at the rim first, but I'm in a hurry, so I'm going to go ahead and just tip it out. Whoa. I'm going to comb out some of that because that got to be a little too much. Let me comb that out. There we go. And so I'm going to wiggle down. And what that does is get on either side of the lashes right at the base. And since I've already tipped out, so I'm just going to be pulling that mascara through. And really, no kidding. Some people, this first pass of all of this would be all they do. And that's perfectly fine if that's all you want. I like a lot of mascara. That's just me. That does not have to be you. But that is a great first pass, y'all. Look at that. It's awesome mascara. Remember, don't go in and out. Go swirling around to kind of fill the brush up. And then tip the ends. Remember, we've already used our lash curler. Tip the ends. Just kind of squeezy over the ends. You know how to squeezy. Oh. Good thing we have our little towel beneath us. Okay, and then I'm going to come out towards the ear. Straight up in the middle. And then towards the nose on the inner corner. And I got a little bit of mascara right there. I'm going to get it off. Wipe it off on my trusty little towel. It's good to have your little towel, y'all. Oops. I'm going to reload the brush. I feel like I didn't tip that out very well. Make sure your bangies and your hairs are out of the way, y'all. Did y'all notice I didn't even take the time to stop and blend? You really should, but I'm in a hurry. Straight up. And then towards the nose. And then over here, tip out the bottom. Yep. Let's get the outer lashes really good. And then just wiggle down. Wiggle down. Again, all that does is get the mascara on either side of the lash really good. And then you just pull it through. And you're pretty done. Now if you want to, and I'm going to, you can either re-tip it or just re-go through it with mascara. I'm going to re-tip it and go through it with mascara. Probably a little bit lighter coat. There's probably not as much on the wand, and that's fine. There, perfect. Look how great that looks, y'all. Can y'all see? That is a great look to me. Okay, and then over here again, and over here again. By the way, if you have little gloops like that, you can either wipe it off on the end of the mascara barrel. See that little gook right there? Just get it off. And pull straight down with the tip end. And what that kind of does is it coats the lash in a lengthened way. And on the upper, whoop, I didn't have, oh, my bangies out of the way. Make sure they're out of the way. Some people will only do this when they still have their towel on their head, when they've just washed their hair. Or pull their hair back. For me, if I pull my hair back, then when I let go, it's going to have this weird little crimp in it. There we go. So I feel like we're done. As much as I'm going to be. And that's my end look. So what do y'all think? I feel like I need to dust off with powder or something, but because that lip is a little bright, isn't it? You know what I think I'll do? I'm going to leave it for now, but when I redo my lipstick, when this eventually wears off after eating in a couple of hours, I'm going to reapply the rust color. I think that will actually look better. I was going with this color, but look, that actually is that color. It's not too bright though. I think it looks good. And so that's my look for today. I missed you guys so much, and I love you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Oh, wait a minute. How close are we to the end? We just ran over. It happens. It always happens to me. But anyway, you know what though? I need to go ahead and let this be a short one. Is that okay with y'all? I need to get downstairs to my grandbaby. And I'm trying to look as pretty for her as possible. So there's my look. And if I want to, I can go ahead and do this. This is my Chanel Hydra Beauty Mist. You can use this to either refresh your face or to set your makeup. So I will use it too. Oh my gosh, that is so wonderful. Set my makeup. There's my look. What do y'all think? I'm so excited. My grandbaby is probably going to be helping me set up the set for the Bible studies. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the look. And there is kind of how I'm looking today. We're going to go see the new Nutcracker movie. Okay. Oh, almost fell down. Okay. Love you guys.